Time management crisis during your NEET syllabus study? Yes, it can feel like a crisis only when you have a huge syllabus to study in restricted time. Hello students and my NEET aspirants. Now we will study a little bit about the time management skill, that how you can complete your professional course syllabus in restricted time. No doubt, those all time management skills will have a big words, but they actually reflect a very simple meaning. Now this is a list of some time management methods, and we can actually clump two methods together to get a good result. We'll start with first method, that is Pomodoro technique and 80-20 rule. They say that 20 minutes of study and followed by 5 minutes of break can give you 80% of results with just investment of 20%. As they said that you need to block your 25-minute slot for study purpose. Now next question comes in our mind, out of NEET syllabus, which topic you should select as a priority? We all are aware about exam paper pattern and the kind of emphasis given to a particular topics as a weightage. To clarify that, you can use Eisenhower techniques and ABCDE method. This says that do analysis of your own study, and you are already aware with the pattern, so you can divide those topics under certain criteria. For example, some topics are very urgent to study and they are important equally. But some topics, they are important, but for your study pattern or for your study level, they are not urgent as of now. But few topics that you have never learned before, you have never studied before, but they come under good to know. So you can plan your subtopics and give a nice flow to sort out your timetable. When you are planning your timetable, it sounds really very boosting and energetic, but you should be consistent and be connected with all that flow. For that, you can use time blocking, tracking and Parkinson's law, which actually says that if you have a particular time slot for study and a particular topic, then divide that time slot into subtopics so that you will get a full idea and you will not miss any subtopic out of that topic. For example, from physics, if we just imagine that we want to study law of motion, then which are those subtopics like Newton's law of motion, then circular motion, then friction, then in that given time slot, divide those subtopics and study accordingly. Like that, you are all set with your 20% of focused effort in that given slot. Now let's think that how you can take 80% of result out of this. Now here, that 5 minutes of break is going to play a magical role. But during this relaxation, in subconscious mind, your brain mapping should be continued. This will give you a good kind of revision and review for your progress. Ultimately, this will boost your confidence and clear your concepts also. We will take same example, like just now we have taken example of law of motion. So after studying this topic, what you are going to do as a brain mapping. So make sure you will try to recall formulas or keywords or the important words which are going to give you an exact meaning to select correct option. How will be the final output of all these methods for NEET exam? Let's discuss that. Just prior to your exam, you will get a clear idea that exactly what you need to revise and how to recall all those things with the help of all those formulas, keywords, mnemonic, etc. And exactly during exam, it will be very much useful for you that you are already done with your brain mapping method and your brain is excellently trained that how you can take out answer from given topic. Students, score well in your NEET exam, and soon we will be meeting in our PCC to create a strong base for your upcoming medical academics.